In a small, remote village surrounded by lush green fields and towering mountains, a boy named Raju was born into a poor family. His father was a farmer who worked tirelessly in the fields, and his mother took care of the household chores while managing a small vegetable garden. Despite their hardships, they always instilled in Raju the values of honesty, hard work, and perseverance. Raju was not like other children in the village. While his friends were content playing in the fields, he always dreamed of doing something big in life. He loved to study, but his school was miles away, and he had to walk barefoot every day to attend classes. Even though his uniform was torn and he barely had proper stationery, his passion for learning never faded. His father often told him, "Education is the only way to change our fate, son. Never stop learning." These words became Raju's guiding light. Life was not easy. Raju would wake up before sunrise, help his father in the fields, and then rush to school. In the evenings, he helped his mother with household chores and studied under the dim light of a kerosene lamp. There were times when he had to skip meals due to financial difficulties, but he never complained. One day, his teacher noticed his enthusiasm for learning and decided to help him. He gave Raju extra books and guided him in his studies. Encouraged by his teacher's support, Raju worked even harder. He started performing exceptionally well in school, winning small competitions and earning the respect of his villagers. When Raju reached high school, he heard about a scholarship program for underprivileged students. However, the competition was tough, and only a few students would be selected. Many villagers doubted him and said, "A farmer's son can never compete with city kids." But Raju did not let their words break his spirit. He studied day and night, often sacrificing sleep. He made notes, borrowed books, and revised tirelessly. On the day of the scholarship exam, he traveled to the city, feeling nervous but determined. The questions were tough, but he gave it his best. Weeks later, the results were announced. Raju had not only cleared the exam but had topped it. His joy knew no bounds. The entire village celebrated his achievement. His father, who had always believed in him, had tears of pride in his eyes. With the scholarship, Raju moved to the city for further studies. The transition was not easy. He had never seen tall buildings, crowded streets, or fast-moving cars. He felt like an outsider, and his simple village attire made him the subject of mockery among his classmates. But instead of feeling discouraged, he used their laughter as motivation. He improved his English, adapted to modern learning methods, and made new friends. Whenever he faced difficulties, he reminded himself of his family's struggles and their sacrifices. Years passed, and Raju excelled in his studies. He got admission to a prestigious university and later secured a well-paying job in a reputed company. His success was not just his own. It was a victory for every village boy who dared to dream. Despite achieving great heights, Raju never forgot his roots. He returned to his village and set up a school for children who, like him, had dreams but lacked resources. He introduced modern teaching methods and provided free education to underprivileged kids. Standing in front of his students one day, he said, "If I, a simple farmer's son, can achieve my dreams, so can you. Never let your background define your future. Work hard, believe in yourself, and success will follow." His journey became an inspiration for many, proving that no matter where you come from, with determination and hard work, you can achieve anything. Moral of the story: hard work, perseverance, and self-belief can overcome even the greatest obstacles. Your dreams are valid, no matter how big or small, and if you work for them with dedication, success will follow.